Hi dear students, you know why Dolavira is important for your examination and how the questions are asked from this particular topic? Yes, whenever these history topics are in the news, you can expect questions from their static areas. Okay, this Dolavira site, inscribed onto this UNESCO's World Heritage Site list. Okay, it became one of the World Heritage Site from India. This is the first Indus Valley Civilization site entering into UNESCO's World Heritage Site list, and this is fourth site from Gujarat to enter into this or onto this UNESCO's World Heritage Site, and this is 40th from India. Dolavira. Some important points are there regarding this Dolavira. This is the way you must be very clear about these concepts regarding that particular site, because that way UPSC will be asking question. I will show you. This is the fifth largest metropolis of Indus Valley Civilization. Certain core facts are there which is important from your exam point of view. Fifth largest, one of the biggest cities of Indus Valley Civilization. It has this advanced water conservation rainwater harvesting system. This is known for its very unique water management system. It had lots of artificial reservoirs or maybe these water conservation like dams, canals, etc. are there. So advanced water conservation and rainwater harvesting system is popular in Dolavira. Multi-layered defensive mechanism is known for its fortification. It's known for its multi-layered defensive mechanism. Extensive use of stone in construction. This is one of the Indus site where this stone is used in extensive scale for construction of the houses. In other site, burned bricks were largely used. Here is the site, these stones are used extensively for construction of houses. And this is the site which is having three divisions of the city. The city is divided into Citadel, Middle Town and Lower Town. Usually Indus cities have two divisions, Citadel and Lower Town. Citadel and Lower Town. Huge buildings are located in the Citadel region. Then this common people's residential area, that is in Lower Town. So this is having three divisions. What done is Citadel, Middle Town and Lower Town. Remains of copper smelter is identified from here. That means, yes, people of this region, they were well versed with metallurgy. You know that metal technology was very known to them. Then signboard with Bostford script, Indus script. Okay, this is Dolavira. From Dolavira, a signboard with Bostford script or Indus script being discovered. And this is known for rock-cut reservoirs. This site is known for rock-cut reservoirs. Similarly, there are some other popular sites, Kalibangan, which is in Rajasthan, Lothal, which is in Gujarat, Chahundaro, which is in Sindh region. Some popular findings are important because UPSC would be asking questions by shuffling these findings from different sites. They will interchange these findings, that way they will confuse you. So, Kalibangan, which is in Rajasthan, and a plowed field is identified, fire altar identified, bones of camels, mud brick fortification, then these rectangular burials, then this Bostford script, etc. identified from Kalibangan region, which is in Rajasthan. Lothal is known as a maritime trade center. It is artificial dockyard. First man-made dockyard is discovered from here. It was basically a port city. Bead making factories discovered. Rice husk is discovered. Iranian seals are discovered. So it was a popular maritime trade center. It was a popular port city, which is Lothal, again in Gujarat, Ahmedabad. Chahundaro is in the Sindh region on the bank of Indus River. Factories were discovered and these cowed brigs discovered. No citadel is identified from Chahundaro. That was a SEZ zone, special economic zone. So just to focus on the major findings which is important for you. Now this is the way you will be solving the questions. For example, which of the following not found at Dolavira? UPSC can ask questions like this. Which of the following is not found at Dolavira? Which of the following was found at Mohenjo-daro, Harappa, Surkotara, Lothal, okay, or Raghigargi? The findings they will ask and they will interchange these findings of different Indus sites. Signboard with Indus script, we know that it is from, it is from Indus, it is from this Dolavira only. Okay, these artificial reservoirs were discovered from this what is called Dolavira only. And this what is called a copper smelter also from this Dolavira only. but this piece of woven cloth that is from Mohenjo-daro. Okay, so D is your answer. D is your answer. Now see, Acropolis divided into three main parts: Citadel, Middle Town, Lower Town. Citadel having elaborate fortification structures, and excavation revealed city houses constructed using sandy limestones, etc., 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 and tanks to store rainwater or fresh water harvested from other sources. This is the description given to which of the following site. Obviously, this kind of the questions also UPSC will be asking, where the descriptive features of a site will be given and you are asked to find out the site. This is a description given for Dholavira. Okay, this is the way they are asking questions. So take care whenever these current affair history topics are in the news, their static portions are important for you to revise well, because questions are framed from there. Okay, that's it. All the best. Thank you. Just have a look into the previous year's questions also.